kids and more kids, welcome back to our channel with Valerie, Vanessa, and Mommy over there.
What are you guys doing today?
We're doing an unboxing video, and this is really cool for your Barbies. It's very perfect, just the right size. Okay, let's open it together. Ready, steady, go! Wait, don't open it, don't do that. This is yours. So Vala is gonna get a backpack, and I'm gonna get a little handbag. Oh, that's so cute! Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like.
What is it?
Backpack! And mine's a little handbag.
And they're called Real Littles.
Real little.
And they're by Moose Toys.
Oh yeah.
So Valerie is holding, she's holding a little backpack, and Vanessa is holding a handbag. So they're gonna unbox them and show you guys what's inside them.
I think I'll put it open. So we got a little backpack from Valerie.
Oh.
Oh.
So,
So
okay.
I got a little backpack. And we're going to see what's inside. And it's fluffy. And we're going to see what's inside. Let's see. That's so cute. What is that? Get it out! Get it out! Goodness. That's this is so cute. This is real paper, guys. It's so...
What is it?
This is a little paper. Look, this is actually real. It's a water bottle.
A water bottle?
Wheel.
Okay, what else did you get?
It also come with this. They have a mini lunchbox, and it also come with this.
A pen, a fluffy pen too.
That's amazing.
And what else? What is that clear thing? There's a clear thing right there.
This?
What is that?
It looks like a
Pencil pouch? Oh my, so many cool little things.
I guess real candy. Little is real. Candy.
We will do a close-up of everything. And is there anything else inside your bag?
Oh, she has these markers. No, that's it.
Well, that is awesome.
Yeah. Can this even open? No. I will open it.
Okay, we will do a close-up of everything that Valerie got.
So
here's-
this is what she got.
So the little fluffy backpack. You know what it reminds me of?
No.
A strawberry.
That's because it is! Like these!
Yes.
And it looks like she got a little pencil.
So it's a pencil pouch. You could probably fit the
Oh,
pen
you can
inside.
open it! Has a little... Mommy, look!
Mm.
You can open it!
Oh, you can take your lunch in there?
I go to school! It doesn't really fit.
Can you put real water in here?
No.
No, just pretend for your Barbies. This is cute. The pen.
Yeah, it's a little big though. Maybe if you
Is it like those pens that you have that you can change?
we do. Yeah, we do. Except they're like a human side, but I don't know.
Does it fit on the pencil pouch?
How about the book? So it's my turn to open the cute little handbag. Okay, so I took out this lipstick and
It's not a lipstick. It's a lip backpack.
yeah, it's not a backpack. Really blue. Ooh. Wow. Oh, I see. It's already open. What? I see. This is so cute. Lipstick. It's so cute.
What is that lipstick?
I like it.
But like, what is it?
It's a pink this for lipstick.
I know, but like.
No, face mask.
Okay.
No. Oh my. They even created a face mask. Whoa. It's a cute little.
What is it?
It's a little purse.
Purse?
Like a
Are you
makeup
sure?
bag.
Are you sure?
What's this? Lunchbox. It's not a lunchbox. Oh, I did more.
What is
They
it?
have little glasses.
Oh, pretty.
That's so cute.
Oh, that's a case for your glasses. What else? What is that blue thing?
Oh, it's just,
Scrunchy, kind of?
yeah, but it's a bit too tiny.
What else? Is that it?
We just have this left. Like cute little stickers.
Oh, pretty.
Wait, is it for their nails?
I have no idea.
Is it these for nails or tattoos?
Okay, so it says Real Little Handbags are back with 30 plus stylish all-new surprises. Small, but with so much style, there are 6 more Real Little Handbags to collect. Each one themed using the latest materials and finishes. Each collectible handbag has its own matching bag charm for you to mix and match.
Yes!
Real Little Handbags are so perfect to accessorize with. Clip them onto your school bag, handbag, or even belt to your belt loop and get your style on. You will find real makeup or maybe a limited edition laboratory grown diamond ring. I'm thinking it is possibly for your nails.
Us?
Yeah. And then for Valerie, Real Little backpacks are back filled with all new Real Mini collectible surprises for you to find that really work. There are 6 Real Little backpacks to collect, including Rainbow Cat, Popsicle, Avocado, Panda, Strawberry, and Glitter Pug. All backpacks have working zippers in different materials and finishes. Unzip your backpack to reveal 6 cute stationery surprises. There are 30 plus surprises in total to collect. Will you find the limited edition electronic game? And these are available probably at Target, Walmart. They are $7.99 each. Here is a close-up of the Real Little backpacks, and there are six in total to collect. And here's a close-up of the handbags. They're so cute. I like the lipstick. So here is the lips. This is the little handbag. Here's a little handle. And it's kind of like clear plastic, like glitter. And then we think these are for your nails.
And we got a face mask.
Yes, that was a cute little face
And we
mask.
got this.
I wonder if that fits your Barbies. So we have, I think this is a scrunchie. And then we got some glasses with the case. And then what is the other one, Vanessa?
This?
Yes.
This is a little makeup bag. And we have a pink lipstick. It's a little charm.
But what is, oh, a charm? I thought it was a real lipstick.
A toy.
It's a toy lipstick. I thought it was real.
You can also take the little band and use it for your toy Barbies.
Yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it?
Don't forget the mask.
Yeah, I did the face mask. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so cute.
What are you doing, child?
Wait, let me put
Big
some
lips.
lipstick. Can I put some lipstick? Wait, on
The lips on your lips. Ooh la la. You're silly. Dance party? Dance party.
Wait a minute. I know she's not having a real lipstick.
No.
No, I
big lips.
I got hard.
You're silly.
Not a real lipstick. That means I can play some too. That means I can keep my lips.
I can't see, it's all blurry. You did not write, and I could only see Vanessa wearing glasses.
We hope you love watching our video. Subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Big 100 thumbs up. Yeah, please. We really want you to subscribe so we can get to 100 subscribers. Yeah.
You're past 100.
Wait. More like. Wait, we did? More like subscribe more so we can get to a lot. And we hope you like this video and give us a huge thumbs up. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Check out the rest of our videos.
They're amazing.
Bye-bye.
She has a lipstick. Bye guys. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe and give a big thumbs up. And click that red coronation.
Click on the bell to get notified.
To get notified and to see more of our videos. And play with your keys. And see you next time. And we hope you...